Hello everyone and welcome to Financial Intelligence. In this video, I want to talk about a piece of news article that I came across the other day. Here is the title of this article. Elon Musk says Tesla will stop accepting Bitcoin for car purchases, citing environmental concerns. The adverse impact of cryptocurrencies that use the blockchain technology on the environment has been known for many years. In my opinion, this decision had nothing to do with the environment and everything to do with business. In this video, I'm going to show you a timeline of Bitcoin related decisions made by Tesla executives, overlaid on top of the Bitcoin price chart. My goal is to share with you my hypothesis as to why Tesla made a U-turn on their decision to accept Bitcoin for car purchases. I would like to receive your feedback and know what you think the main driver for this decision was. I'm going to post the links to all the references in the description box below. Here is the timeline. February 8, 2021. Tesla buys $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin and plans to accept it as payment. So Tesla purchased $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin, actually betting that its price was going to go higher. Note that they made the announcement on February 8, but they have been building their Bitcoin position well before that at cheaper prices in the range of 20k to 30k. This was when Bitcoin was hot and everybody wanted to participate in the action. At this point in time, apparently Tesla was not concerned with the adverse effect of Bitcoin on the environment. April 28, 2021. Tesla is now sitting on $2.5 billion worth of Bitcoin. CNBC reported on April 28, 2021 that the automaker said its investment in the volatile cryptocurrency was worth $2.5 billion at the end of March. I've labeled the end of March in this chart, the date that this announcement refers to. This is around when Bitcoin was at the peak of its price chart. Again, at this time, Tesla was happy to hold on to its Bitcoin profit, and there was no mention of the environmental impact of Bitcoin. May 12, 2021. Elon Musk says Tesla will stop accepting Bitcoin for car purchases, citing environmental concerns. Apparently, May 12, 2021 is the date when the environmental impact of Bitcoin was discovered and acknowledged by Tesla. I'm not sure if I buy this argument. Elon Musk is a very smart person and certainly knew about the environmental impact of Bitcoin long before this date, period. My hypothesis is that the Tesla company stopped accepting Bitcoin not because of their concerns for the environment, but because they were concerned about their risk exposure to Bitcoin price fluctuations. I think, and I have no data to back it up, that many people started using Bitcoin to purchase Tesla cars after they announced it. In other words, they had underestimated the amount of demand they would receive through Bitcoin purchases. This probably created a large risk exposure to Bitcoin price fluctuations. Note that a big challenge in managing a successful supply chain is hedging against currency fluctuations. My hypothesis is that excessive Bitcoin exposure probably introduced many operational challenges at Tesla, and that's why they made the decision to stop accepting Bitcoin. Bottom line, I think that Tesla executives' decision to stop accepting Bitcoin for car purchases was not because of their concerns for the environment. My hypothesis is that Tesla executives had underestimated the operational challenges associated with running a supply chain under severe currency fluctuations similar to what we see in Bitcoin. As I said, I have no data to back up my claims in this video, but I'm curious to know what you think the main reason for this decision was. I hope that you liked this video. If you have any suggestions or feedback, please add them in the comment section below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. Also hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my future videos. Thank you and take care.